Furbtastic Fun, so it's Furbtastic here, and I'm here with
Lily!
And so today I decided to fix up Lily a little snack, and it's those little little blueberry puffs. So they are heart-shaped, and they're actually really good. I've tried those myself, but not the blueberry ones. But there's another flavor, so it's like the Gerber puffs, brought from Aldi. So that's what I'm gonna be feeding Lily today, but I'm gonna open those up in a little bit. And I usually never feed my Super Snacks dolls. Well, Sarah doesn't work anymore. On my Snacking Lily and Snacking Luke dolls, I'll make videos of feeding with. For some reason, I guess it's just that, I don't know. Maybe, I don't know what happened. Probably just being too lazy and eating the food myself. But this time I'm actually gonna be feeding Lily a snack.
These actually look kind of good. Can I have them now, please?
Yes, Lily, we will. I'm gonna open those right now.
Yay, finally!
Alright, now let me just tear here. Here. There we go, got it. Now I better get this off first. Well, so here are the puffs. And as you can see, there's little dots in there. Well, probably because this is like the blueberries and stuff, because blueberries do have like the skin part. So it's probably just a blueberry. And they smell really good too. Do you want to smell it, Lily?
Sure. Smell delicious.
Alright, now let's pour them in for you. Oh, looks like I spilled one of them right there. Let me get that.
I got on my shirt.
Yeah, I think that might be a little bit too much. Let's put some of it back in. So here it is, and looks like that Lily's trying to eat it right now. Lily, we're not gonna eat right now.
Aww.
Alright, now you ready to eat?
Mommy.
Alright. Alright, do you want me to feed you, or do you want to try by yourself?
Try to feed me first.
Okay.
That was good.
Alright, here's another one.
Now can I try by myself?
Sure, Lily, you can. So Lily needs to develop all her motor skills so she can pick up the food.
I got it.
Alright, Lily, good job.
Looks tasty. These snacks are just so good. I want my brother and sister to try them.
Alright, Lily, maybe someday they'll try them too. Or later today.
Alright. Alright, time for another one. Mommy, I'm done now.
Alright, Lily, do you want to eat the last one?
Okay.
Here you go. Come on. There you go. Alright, so you got your tummy full?
Yeah. I'm gonna have to poop now.
You have to go, ready?
Well, I ate a lot of snacks.
Alright, Lily, let's get you out of that booster seat.
I'm all done now.
Alright, good job, Lily.
Can I play now?
Sure, Lily.
Yay!
Alright guys, so Lily's just gonna be playing for now, so thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. And in the comments down below, tell me if you ever tried these pups before, or if your baby alive had ever eaten those. And I hope you have an awesome day. Bye!
Hey, Tim, what are you doing on Sarah's bed? I can hear you purring. You must be happy laying on Sarah's pillow. Hey, Tim. Yeah, you. Yeah, you little hairless baby after that little haircut. Your fur is all shaved, and now you're sleeping on Sarah's bed. Go sleep on Mommy's bed like you did last night. Oh, you're so soft. But you're such a cute little kitty cat. I actually just want to lay and hang out with you. Oh, silly Tim. I love you. Hey, where are you going? Oh, you're just switching positions, aren't you? And you're licking your tail? Ew. Silly. But I love you still, though.